Hello everyone. In this video, we are gonna learn Unit 6 Question 16, which is create a user registration API, post and register with fields like email, name, password, and save in database. For that, go to browser or Chrome, type start.spring.io, and you will be greeted with this page of Spring Initializer. Project should be Maven, language should be Java, and in project metadata artifact id you can give any id like demo1 model1 anyone, and I would give as user register. After that, packaging should be jar and java version. Mine is 21, and if you want to see your version, go to cmd and type the command java double dash version. You can see it here. After that, add dependencies. There are four dependencies which are web, dev, devtools, jpa, and H2 database. Generated, it would come with the zipped file. Go to your folder and unzip it by extract all and select a destination and extract it. After that, go to VS Code, click on File and open folder. Go to Downloads and User Register, select folder. After coming here, click on User Register, src, main, Java, register application.java, and run it. From here, run. Okay. It will take up to 3 to 5 minutes. Let's wait until then. After this, you can see that it is web server failed to start. Port 8080 was already in use. That means it's already running. So go to browser and click on localhost 8080. Click enter. You should be greeted with this page. This page like white label error page. It should come, and after that, go back to your code and click on java/com/example/user register and click on new file and name it file as user.java, and there should be package com.example.user register should be imported in it, and do same thing, new file, name it as user controller.java. Again, user repository.java, and at last user service.java. After that, click on user.java, and I hope you all know what entity is and all, what entities and why ID is used, and and public string get email, voids, he set email and all. I hope you all know by watching previous videos and all. So I'm not going to explain it, and I'm only going to tell you what is important in this. Like its main important is it user controller. I'm only going to show you what and all should be written inside that. Okay, here at entity and presenter and at table name is equal to users. Okay, now inside public class user, right? Type at id and type at generated value. Okay, generated value. Parenthesis packet strategy. Strategy is equal to generation type. If you want to know what generative value and all is, it is in the manual which I have created. Refer to it. By seeing this video, refer to it also. Dot identity. Private long ID. Private string name. Private string email. And private string password. After that, public long get ID. Parenthesis bracket and one flower bracket open, and inside that return id return id, and after that public void set id, and this dot id is equal to id. This much should be given for id, and the same should be given for name, email, and password also. Get name, enter, set name, email, password. If you get trouble doing this, click on your and click on source action. You can see this, right? Generate getter and setter method. Click on that and you would get this, or else after that click on source section and you should also click on generate constructor. You would get option there, click on ok and click on all, and then okay, click ok, you would get everything like here, look. And if you come here for getter and setter method, click all, and you should click on ok. For constructor, do not click anything and then click on ok, right? Okay, after that you should get this error and click on clip up and import generation type Jakarta persistence. It should be imported over here. After import, okay, had not done the password. Let's do it. Password, set method and get set password. Get password and set password. Okay. After that, do not go to user controller. Go to user repository because you can find many errors in user controller because it says private user service and all. So, like it should be auto-wired, right? So if you get error like that, first go to user repository. There you have to type public interface instead of class. Type interface user repository extends JPA user repository. JPA repository. Do not write user, okay? Only JPA repository. User repository. User, comma long and close it. Open the flower bracket and close it. Okay. After that, now go to user controller and make here type at rest controller and click on at request mapping, and the name should be not users but register, because it's already given here that it should be post in register. Okay, so I given it register. After that, inside the user controller, type at AutoWire, and it means that you are connecting the page of user repository and user controller. Okay, and type private user repository, this and this one. After that, click enter and type at post mapping. At post mapping, enter. After that, public string, not public string, it's public response entity. Okay, this response entity, and use this arrow, and inside that type users and register user. You are giving this cause as the question says, I want the post register of users fields name, email, password, and save it in DB users registration API. Okay, for that I given it as users, and inside the parenthesis write at request body, this one request body, and give the user small letter user. After that, close the flower bracket. Inside that user, saved user is equal to user repository dot save user. Okay, so that return response from the entity, response entity dot status. Instead of it, to make it simpler, write response entity dot okay. It's small, it saves the time and it's easier to understand. Okay, for that, response entity dot save dot okay, and inside the parenthesis write saved user. After this, click on uh, close it. Click on this import response entity. Import it. Users. Do not create a class for users. It's user. Okay, not users. It's user. Because I already given it as user. If it was users, I should give it users. Since it's user, I have given user. It should be user. Now come to user service, and inside service write at service and at AutoWire. This is auto wiring of service and controller. Okay, I mean like in controller I have given this user repository and smaller user repository. This user repository is actually of service. Okay, after that private user repository and user repository. As I told you, this and this are connected. This. Okay, after that public void save user. Save user. User, user and user. And the flower bracket open. Inside that write user repository. User repository dot save user. Close it. It should be capital over here. Okay. If you ask me why this, I can say that in user controller, we already given it's like public response entity as user, and your request body is user and user. This is the same as I told you, it's a connection of controller.java and user service.java. And user repository is connected to user controller. Alright? Okay. Like user repository and saved user. It's all perfect without any error. Now I'm gonna save it all. Main thing in resources and application, if you want to run your data in SQL in browser, make sure to write this command with code, which is string dot data source dot URL, and give the JDBC instead of MySQL type H2, because in dependencies I have downloaded it. I have given dependency as H2 database, right? So give it H2 dot mem and test.db. Test.db. Not test.db, it's test.db. String dot data source dot driver class name is equal to org dot h2 dot driver. Now for username, string dot dot data source dot username is equal to sa, and give password string dot data source dot password is equal to, let it be empty, cause if you want you can give a password like 1234, or you can keep it empty. There won't be any problem in it. Okay, this is optional. If you want, write this and this one. and this one. It's optional. This much is optional. Till this is enough. Alright? Okay. After that, save it. Save all. Save. And now I'm going to user register application.java. I'm running it. Okay, it's already running. This one. And here slash type h2 dash console. Okay. And click enter. You will be greeted with this page. And make sure that JDBC URL is same as you are given in the VS Code at application properties. This one URL, copy it and paste it over here and test connect. Yes, it's connect successful. And you will be greeted with this page of data and MySQL. Here, now you have to insert some data. Okay, like insert into users. This users is actually I have got some problem while doing this while inserting values. So I have given this table name over here, this one. This table name is equal to users is actually the table name I'm being giving here. Insert into users. I hope you understand. And give name, email, and password, which is said in the question. This name, email, and password, and save in DB. Okay. After that, close it. Give values as name as Rahul and email as rahul@gmail.com and password as 123. I will save it, run it. First, run it. I would get this answer like this, and after that, you have to get it in a database, right? It only says it's inserted, and to see it, select star from users. Okay, now run it. Look here. As you can see, as ID is one, email, name, and password. It's saved. After that, so as the question says, create a user registration API, host register with fields like name, email, password, and save in DB. So some of them find it difficult to write it over here, right? So to make it easy, go to Postman. You can get Postman in browser since like go to browser and type Postman. Not installation, not download, but from a Postman. Okay, you will be greeted with this. Like in this, if you go inside it, okay, here you have to say sign in for free. Since I have downloaded it, it does not come to me. Okay, you can sign in for free and in there give your email ID, password, and enter inside it, and you will be greeted with this page. Okay, you will be greeted with this page, and after coming over here, instead of get, click on post. Since it says go to post register, click on post, and in the URL section, give your URL as localhost 8080 register, register, and go to body, raw, it should be JSON, and give some data over here. Flower bracket, the name should be, I want the name as Nikhil, Nikhil, and his email can be nikhil at gmail.com, and the password should be 1245. I'm sorry, space. So over here, I have not written email. I'm sorry, email. Okay, it's fine. Same goes for password. Password. Now it's perfect. Make sure you look after these problem issues. You may find errors. Okay, after that, click on send. You should get this 200 OK. It means request successful. The server has responded as required. After you get this, go to your browser and look after this. These both. Okay. Here, select star from users. It means the question says to save it, right? After giving it here, it should be saved here. Now, if I run here, click here. ID is 2, email is nikhil at gmail.com, name is Nikhil, and the password is 1234. Whatever I have given over here, it is already saved in the database. If you want to do it again, I'm gonna change the name as Srijan. Okay. The email should be srijan at gmail.com. Password should be 12345. Okay. Send it. It's sent and it is saved here, saved over here. If I run again, it will get come here like 3 srijan at gmail.com, srijan 12345. Okay, it's very easy to make and does not take more time. Thank you for watching this video.